Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to share with you my favorite DIY tea. It's a home remedy for boosting your immune system. If you guys want to learn how I do this tea and all the ingredients and the benefits they have for you, then keep on watching. So you guys, I grew up in the Dominican Republic with my grandmother, and for every single problem, there was a DIY solution for it. Our resource for getting better from anything from a scratch to the flu to a stomach bug to anything really that I can remember. My grandmother had a home remedy for, all natural. We really never were kids to drink medicine, and again, this is how I grew up, and here I am, a healthy 33-year-old. By no means I am promoting that type of lifestyle, but it was beneficial, and I like to incorporate it in mine, even though I do believe in some medicines can be beneficial. But for things like a flu and a cold, really there is no medicine to cure it. The best thing that you can do is rest, lots of fluid, and your body kind of does its thing on its own. But I do believe that feeding your body and giving your body good nutrients and things that are known to boost your immunity can help you heal faster, feel better, and also prevent getting sick. See, you guys, it's easy to make. It's all natural ingredients. I will be linking underneath every single ingredient that I use and the website that I found with the health benefits on them. And they're well known. Nothing here is really an obscure ingredient, but by all means, try at your discretion. And at the end of the day, anything that you do decide to try, it's all about the attitude that you have. If you feel like it's gonna make you feel better and you do it with that mentality, then it will. Now, if you don't believe in home remedies, you like to go a different route, then this is not the video for you. So to make this tea, you will need apple. Apples are exceptionally healthy fruit with many research-backed benefits. They're rich in vitamin C, fiber, vitamin K, and potassium. Now, vitamin C is responsible for boosting your immune system by making more white blood cells. So that is why we are adding lots of vitamin C's. Lemon and lime. Limes are loaded with nutrients that help boost your immunity. Lemons are also high in vitamin C, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds. Ginger. So ginger contains gingerol. It's responsible for its medicinal properties, which are anti-inflammatory and antioxidants. A red onion, which are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. For spices, we will be using cinnamon and clove. Cinnamon, it's rich in antioxidants. It's also very good anti-inflammatory and so much more. Cloves are sweet and aromatic flavor and potent medicinal properties and very high in antioxidant. And some honey. So honey is rich in antioxidants and helps suppress your cough. And we will be cutting them up and putting them all in a big pot. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna start getting all of the fruits and spices ready to go into the pot. With the apples, they've been already washed, but basically I just cut it in 4 pieces. Or you can cut it in even smaller pieces. I do not take the skin off, but I do like to take off this middle part here, the pulp and sticks and seeds, and just leave them looking like this. From the lime, I am going to cut off the skin here, like peel off the skin first. And I'm gonna be putting that, and then I'm going to cut this in half. Take the butt off here. And I will also be putting this piece inside. is nice and juicy, but if you find your ginger to be very dry, you can cut it in smaller pieces. That way you get the most flavor out of it. But I'm going to be putting that in. With the lemon, I also do the same thing. I peel off some of the skin, put it into the pot. Cinnamon. I'm going to do 5 sticks of cinnamon, you guys. And I'm going to do just like a few of these. These are very strong and fragrant, so just like this amount. Now for the onion, you guys, believe it or not, you will not be tasting this onion. This tea comes out so delicious. I made a huge batch for my neighbor who was sick, and she was so impressed. She could not believe how amazing, for one, it tastes. And when I told her that it had a red onion, she couldn't believe it. It doesn't smell like it does, and it doesn't taste like it does either. And I would recommend that you don't skip adding the onion, because this is really what's going to help boost your immunity system the most. So now that I have all of the goodies in here, we're going to add water. You guys, I filled this pot about like a quarter. I am making tea for both my husband and myself. So now I'm just gonna let it boil. I'm gonna cover it and I will be back. It has been boiling for about almost half an hour now. So I'm gonna turn it off and I'll show you what I do next. So you guys, I'm gonna take a strainer right here and pour it into the cup. I'm gonna try and do this. Teacup here. So you guys, that amount of water that I added gave me enough for 2 teacups. I throw this away. You can actually add more water and add a few more pieces of apple, a few pieces of ginger, and so on, and keep boiling it. You can do it up to 5 times and still, you know, get a lot of those benefits out, the flavors and stuff. So it really is not just like a one-time situation. Guys, I'm gonna take the half of the lime as well as the half of the lemon, and I am going to squeeze it in there. And now I'm going to add some honey. You can add up to a tablespoon. The higher the quality of the honey that you buy, the more antioxidant benefits it has. But don't forget that honey is sugar, so you don't want to add too much. You don't want to make something healthy unhealthy by making it too sweet. This is so good, you guys. Like, seriously, so good. Try it. And then leave me in the comment section how good it is. Now, exactly as it is, it's an excellent immunity boosting tea. Now, I do like to spice things up and add extra tea bags sometimes. So during the day, I will often add a green tea. Right now, I'm loving this one by Yogi. It's the green tea blueberry slim life. And at nighttime, I love this one as well, and this is the sleepy time detox, and it has a bunch of other benefits as well. It has chamomile, dandelion, it has green tea as well as lemongrass. And one that I found today, I haven't tried it yet, but I did buy it because I'm curious to check it out, but it's the Tiesta Tea Immunity, and it is a fireberry. So you can always add some extra ingredients in there, spice it up. But that is it, you guys. I hope that you found this helpful, and I really hope that you try this tea because it really is so delicious. And again, you don't have to have it when you are sick or not. You can have this as an everyday immunity booster. Let me know in the comment section what other DIY videos you would like to see, or any other kind of videos, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.